So the exhaust bent on this chainsaw, and it's burned a hole right into the oil tank there, so I can see the size of it compared to my finger.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's.
So I'm trying out this cube on stuff because it's supposed to be for high temperatures. So it comes as a super glue and a powder. Apparently it's supposed to sprinkle powder over it and then use this to actually harden it. And you're supposed to use tape if there's a hole there to patch up, but don't really want tape in the tank, so I've cut a piece of plastic now, and I'll put that in place, sprinkle the powder on it, and we'll see how it goes, really. Before as well, I've used some petrol on a rag and cleaned the oil off that on this, and so I'll go out and stick it on. By right, it says black powder, hard plastics, bumper, radiators, etc. But I've used a grey one on plastic because, see, petrol and oil resistant, and this grey one I think is the 180-degree one. So I've taken an executive decision because of the heat and the oil to use this. So hopefully it'll hold in.
So somebody, excuse me, somebody had to do it.
So that's it, hopefully.